boy. That kind of day.
Swim, bird!
Angry bird.
Really fly. All right, speed is your friend today, kids.
Well, that's pretty deep, Jake.
All right, Drew, we're ready when you are. Start 0.
Get going, Bill, get going!
Oh, he's got that GS turned down. Here we go, here we go. So close.
He's got the GoPro on.
Yeah.
So close. Dropping in. We got a goofy foot rider here. Get back on that tail. Solid run. I don't know how waterproof the Mexican poncho. There with the hot pants, coming in hot. Oh, love that hair blowing in the breeze. That might be our best still yet. He is a little cold, I'll tell you.
It's gold.
Oh, it looks like a beach goer here. Another goofy footed rider. Across the board.
Didn't even get wet.
Next one.
Almost slowed down there.
Not a problem.
All right, you heard my first drop.
I was like, okay, I'm dropping.
That's the guy that said he had.
Big wheel turn. Oh, it's not looking good. So close.
Yeah, I gotta go higher.
Next competitor coming in. Get on that. Oh! That went wrong. Something went wrong there. A little squirrely. Does he have the speed? Does he have the style? Looking good. Super hot. Our Ash Cat Strothers, local legend.
Whoa! Oh, that was crazy.
He literally hopped over that.
Yeah, looking good, buddy, looking good. Style points for that, folks.
Do not lean forward.
No.
Oh, get back on those tails. Nice job. We're coming in, big heel turn. Oh!